Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So a couple of days ago I make a video on upcoming Nokia 9.3 Pureview smartphone, but now the latest rumor says the Nokia 7.3 will launch on September 22 and claims rumor Nokia 9.3 probably not ready yet. The wait continues. A leak star claimed that the Nokia 7.3 is coming later this month and that it's unlike that the flagship Nokia 9.3 will launch alongside it. Instead, it will arrive by the end of the year. As a proof of these claims, the leak star point out that the Nokia 7.2, which was announced last September, is being discontinued. Indeed, the Nokia online store in Germany, France, Spain, Finland, India and other countries say that the product is no longer available. It is available in the UK. Of course, that may change in a day or two, and you can still find it in a third-party retailers. The Nokia 7.3 will allegedly launch on September 22. A rumor from a few days ago claims that HMD will unveil several new model on these 20 seconds for apps. Those initially rumored for IFA, including the 7.3 Nokia as well as 6.3, 3.4 and 2.4 upcoming Nokia models. The Nokia 9.3 Pureview, which has faced numerous delays, is still not ready to launch. Recent rumors claim that it has not even gone into mass production yet, something that is expected to happen this month or in October. So at best we may see a teaser for it at the 7.3 event. So let's see in upcoming days. So this is the bad news for the Nokia lover who really want the upcoming Nokia 9.3 Pureview smartphone. By the way, the latest leakers and rumor says the upcoming Nokia 9.3 Pureview come with a 6.7-inch big 1440 by 2880 pixel big screen, and it has come with the 108 megapixel big camera. The phone is come with a two variant, RAM size 6 and 8 gigabytes, and it come with the Snapdragon 865, not the 865 plus, and it's come with the massive 5000 mAh battery, and the video recording of its 108 megapixel camera can record 8K video at 30 fps. So this is the latest specification rumors of the upcoming Nokia 9.3 Pureview. Let me know in the comment section, are you like the upcoming Nokia 9.3, because this phone is delayed like the Google Pixel 4a. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more amazing attack videos. I will catch you later in my next video. See you, bye.